And welcome back, everyone. It was a hot Monday out there. I think our high temperature hit 89 degrees in Colorado Springs, and we should be into the 90s from here on out this week. The clouds, though, are helping to cool us off a little bit. There's no precipitation in downtown Colorado Springs, but just off to the west side, it has turned mostly cloudy, and there's a nice little thunderstorm a couple miles north of Colorado Springs, and that's actually across I-70. We're looking towards Lyman area and northeastern Colorado to get all the severe weather tonight. Nothing severe for Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Highway 50, you're doing just fine. Maybe a stray rain shower or two, but no severe weather for tonight. Here's that rain getting picked up right on the radar. Just off to the west of the Springs, as I was mentioning, it passed through Woodland Park, and I counted a whopping 2 lightning strikes that came out of that storm. So it's not really producing much lightning. But places like Briargate, even up through into Monument, southern Douglas County, will be seeing some rain showers. And Colorado Springs itself, it's not a sure bet that we'll even get rainfall tonight. It's mostly northern Colorado Springs that is most likely to get a quick little rain shower. Then focusing a little further south over the San Luis Valley, notice some rain showers popping up over Swatch County, even into Salida, some light rain showers. Last night, Monarch Pass got absolutely hammered with some bad thunderstorms. Not so much tonight, just light rainfall. Most of this precipitation will, like I said, continue to trend north through the Palmer Divide. I-70, Colorado Springs, just getting glanced by some light rain. Shower or two over Alamosa area for your 6 to 7 o'clock hour, and maybe even a pop-up thunderstorm over the higher elevations of Fremont County and northern Fremont County, southern Teller County. But notice the storm really starts to lose energy as the sun goes down. So Colorado Springs from now until about 8 p.m. is our best bet for some light rain. Then we'll actually turn mostly clear overnight. We're in for a pretty peaceful evening in the weather world. 89 right now in the Springs, 93 for Lamar residents, mid-90s for La Junta. And this is actually relatively comfortable temperatures compared to what you're dealing with later this week. If you remember, I did say you're going to hit 107 for your Wednesday forecast. It's due to this massive ridge of high pressure across the entire west coast. I was actually looking at the forecast for Las Vegas. I think they might hit 115 this week. So let's just be thankful we're not in Nevada. We're in Colorado, a little bit cooler here. Okay, so for our Tuesday, that high pressure just stays across the western part of the United States, and it's just going to sit there until about Friday. Then by our Saturday, we'll finally get some relief. And that's not necessarily good news for our drought monitor. Notice much of southern Colorado is just coated in that shade of red for extreme fire conditions or extreme drought conditions. And then Baca County, as far as southwestern Kansas, also dealing with exceptional drought conditions. They're actually the first spots in the entire continental United States to be seeing exceptional drought conditions, and not a whole lot of rain in the forecast, so not good news for the drought in the southern half. Relative humidities, we're very close to that critical fire weather. The National Weather Service actually starts posting fire weather warnings once we get to about 15% on the RH level, and we're close to that today. I do think we'll dip into the single digits for our Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday forecast, so it seems like a pretty extended period of critical fire weather through the middle of this week, so you got to be very cautious. Thankfully, the 4th of July is behind us. We don't have to deal with the fireworks anymore. 21 miles an hour out in La Junta. The winds are not too bad today, just a light little breeze. The wind's picking up for tomorrow. Winds are stronger off in Lincoln County and also Park County with gusts upwards of 30 miles an hour for your Tuesday forecast. That's why all your fire weather warnings are in effect there for tomorrow. Notice nothing on I-25 yet. I do think that will change at some point tonight or tomorrow morning. The National Weather Service will most likely start to issue some fire weather warnings for the southern half of Colorado. As notice, 101 for your Tuesday forecast in La Junta, and you should be much warmer than that on Wednesday. Here's Woodland Park, 83 degrees for tomorrow afternoon, and then clean sweep, no precipitation chances, just warm up in Teller County for your midweek and late week forecast. Canyon City sitting at 97 for Wednesday. I don't doubt it, you could touch 100 at some spots in far eastern Fremont County. Canyon City tends to stay a little bit cooler than Pueblo. Pueblo at 101 for Thursday afternoon. That triple-digit heat lasts from Wednesday through even Sunday of this coming weekend. Talk about a heat wave. Colorado Springs into the mid-90s for Wednesday. I believe our record for Wednesday afternoon's 96, so nearly breaking some records this week on the thermometer. Guys?